Hello friends, welcome to our new YouTube channel A to Z English Solution. Student, today we shall study about a very important topic in English grammar, gerund. Students, it's very important, not only general English but also competitive English is very important topic. So let me start our topic, gerund. Student, gerund means any first form of the verb plus ing. So now question is this: how we can use the first form plus ing in English grammar? Students, we have the 5 golden rules. With the help of the rules, we can change any first form of the verb, include ing, and what type of the changes in the spelling. According to the rule, we can very easily understand. So let me start point number first. It means rule number first. Rule number first is this: if you can find any first form of the verb and last alphabet, last word e, then we can include ing. Spelling is something change. For example, our spelling is right, then we can use ing. What is the spelling? WRITING. It is a new spelling. Any other example? You can also look come plus ing, and e we can left in this place. What is the spelling? COMING. It is rule number first. It is a very easy rule, If you can find at last alphabet and last word e here, then include ing. The spelling is changed. E we can left in this place. Very easy rule, I think. Second rule is this. Rule number second. Students, if you can find any first form of the verb and last alphabet, last word related to consonant. Students, you know that what is the consonant, and before consonant you can find vowel. So total alphabet in English 21 and 5 vowel: A, E, I, O, U. These are vowels. Everyone know that what is the vowel, what is the consonant. But rule is this: if we can find a first form of the verb at last alphabet consonant, and before consonant you can find vowel. For example, STOP, stop. Then what is the spelling? Stopping. Then we can double the consonant according to the rule. Here P is consonant and B is vowel. If find in this type of the condition, we can double the consonant and spelling is something change. For any other example, if you can find shut, then we can use the ing. What is the spelling? Shutting. If you can any other examples, you can find cut, then we can include the ing. What is the spelling? Cutting. This type of the example, I think you understand very well. If we can find any last verb related to the consonant and before consonant if you can find vowel, when we use the ing we can double the consonant and spelling is something different. And student, rule number third. It is very important rule. According to the Navy, Air Force and ND exam, maximum time the examiner asks these type of the questions related to the rule. It's very important, What is the rule? If you can find any first form of the verb and the last word like jet, W, X, Y, H, U and Q here, something these type of the words, it means Z here, WXY, HUQ. These type of the last word, when we include the ing, we can't double the consonant. For example, FIX, fix, plus ing. And what is the spelling? Fixing. Students, X is consonant and I here vowel. According to the rule number 2nd, we can double the consonant, but according to the rule number 3rd, these are the exception part of English grammar. So we can use W, X, Y, H, U, Q. These are the last alphabet. We can't double the consonant. Any other example you can find? Grow plus ing. And what is the spelling? Growing. Any other example you can find any first form of the verb and this last word. These are the 6 words. We can't double the consonant. We can include only ing. It is very important rule. And now rule number 4 is this rule is, if you can any find first form of the verb and the last word I and E both, when we include any spelling ing, the last alphabet I and E, we can left I and E, and in this place we can use Y, include ing, and spelling is something different. For example, TIE, time, then we can use ing. What is the spelling? Time. I and E we can convert in Y and include ing, spelling is different. Any other example you can find? Die plus ing. And what is the spelling? Dime. I think you understand very well. It is a very simple rule. Rule number 4. And rule number 5 is this: if you can find any first form of the verb and the last word and last alphabet also double L and Y. So students, we cannot plus anything, we cannot minus anything, we can directly add ing in this type of the spelling. For example, PLAY, play, then we can include ing, and what is the spelling? Playing, PLAYING. Another example, kill plus ing, what is the spelling? Killing here. And one more important thing here, if you can find double vowel before consonant, for example D is consonant and E and A, here is the 2 vowel and a double vowel. When we include the ing, what is the spelling? READING. We cannot plus and minus here. It is the same condition in rule number 5 and rule number 6. We can say, in other words, if you can find before consonant the double vowel, we cannot include anything, directly we can use ing. So students, it is very important rule for your competition exam in English GREN. I think you understand. If you understand the topic, please like, subscribe my new YouTube channel, and if you I hope you understand very well what is about the GREN. I hope it is very benefit and beneficial for your future. Thank you. Please, if you like the channel, subscribe and share your friends. Jai Hind.